Hello guys, my name is Ruth Pratap Singh. I am a student of class 10th and from today we will start AI, and this is my first video. As you know, AI is divided into two parts: AI basics and employability skills. We will start from AI basics and then come to employability skills. Our whole chapter will be go as per CBSE syllabus, and our first chapter is introduction to AI. Let's move on that chapter, and our forward video will go on PC. So let's go on to the PC. Here is our slide. The first chapter, introduction to AI. It is divided into two parts: foundational concepts and basic of AI. First we will study foundational concepts. So in nowadays we broadly listen artificial intelligence. This word is made up of two words, artificial and intelligence. Both combinedly create this word, artificial intelligence. So, artificial means something which is man made, and intelligence means ability to perceive or infer information and to retain it as knowledge to be applied toward with an environment or context. So it is very confusable definition. In simple words, if you can store information, learn from that information, take experience, and improve your thing by that experience, at last can apply that experience in future. If you can do these all things, then it is said to be intelligence. So intelligence have nine traits, which are neuralist intelligence, musical intelligence, spatial visual intelligence, interpersonal intelligence, mathematical logic intelligence, kinesthetic intelligence, intrapersonal intelligence, linguistic intelligence, and existential intelligence. So let's take a broader definition about this. Mathematical logic intelligence. It is the ability to understand numerical symbol, measure, and logic. So you can see some people who are expert in solving difficult math problems, who love to measure things, who love to think logically according to math. Those peoples have mathematical logic intelligence more as compared to these eight. Every child and man have these nine traits, but if one trait is extraordinary, then it is said to be that person have this intelligence. So, second is linguistic intelligence, the ability in which a person have high language processing skills in terms of understanding and implementing in both manner verbally and in written. So, if a person know where about 2 5 language or 10 language maximum, and he can or she can easily understand those 10 language, can implement those 10 language by speaking or by writing, then we can say that one have linguistic intelligence more. Then spatial visual intelligence, the ability to perceive to visual world and relate one object to another. Kinesthetic intelligence, ability that is related to how a person uses limbs in a skilled manner. So you can see sport persons who are very well know how to use their limbs in a skilled manner and how to improve its game. Those persons have this intelligence. Then, existential intelligence. It is an additional category of intelligence which is related to the religious and spiritual awareness. You can see some saints who are very well know about religion and spirits. Those comes under this intelligence. Neuralist intelligence. It is also an additional category of intelligence which is related to the processing of information around us. Actually, these two intelligence are not old in this trade list. These are new in this. Then interpersonal intelligence. It is an ability of communicating with other by understanding other one's feeling and influence of the person. So you can see some peoples are very well know how to speak someone other by according to their mood. Like someone is sad, then they very well know how to speak with them to make them happy, how to convey them, and many more. Then musical intelligence, the ability to recognize and create sound, rhythm, and sound pattern. So this intelligence does not need any definition, as it is clear that this is about music. So you can see some musicians who are very well know how to make songs, how to sing them, how to make rhythms, but we can't do this. Why we are unable to do that rhythms? We can't make sounds because we do not have this musical intelligence more. They have musical intelligence extraordinary level. Then intrapersonal intelligence. It is describes how high the level of self-awareness someone has, starting from realizing weakness, strength to his own feelings. So in this we actually discover ourselves. We used to learn about we used to aware about someone's self, like someone knows what is his weakness or her weakness, and also she or he must know what is their strength. Then also what they feel about something, and how they react on anything according to the position. So intelligence have some features, mainly three features. First, ability to interact with the real world. In this, we have suitable information so that we can easily interact with real world. All the human have this intelligence, but here our main intention is to give this intelligence to machine. Machine can interact with the real world just like humans. So in this, to perceive, understand and act. So here the machine is perceiving, understanding it, and then act upon his understanding. For example, speech recognition, understand, and synthesis. Like Alexa, she can recognize our speech easily and can react act upon it. So she have this intelligence. Then image recognition, like phone security, we can lock our phone by our face. When the face is in front of phone, then only it will open. Then ability to take action to have an effect. Then we move on the further. Second point is reasoning and planning. We can reason something or plan something. Like a human have all these three. We I have told you before that we are using to give these features to machine. So machine must be able to reason something or can plan the thing, like modeling the external world given input. Like we are giving some input and it can model according to the external world, like solving new problems, planning and making decisions. Like we must give some new problems which is not given before that machine, but he can easily solve that problem. Then the machine can plan it and also can make decision or predictions. Then it is said that that machine have this feature. Then the last feature is learning and adaptation. Means this is totally depend upon the intelligence definition which I have told you. that we are learning from something and then we are adapting it in our life, day to day life, by the experience. So here continuous learning, the machine must always learn it, but then adapting graph. So there are some information which the machine can adapt it by graphically, then they must be there. And our internal models are always being updated, the models always being updated, so that the new things must be there in its system. Like example, baby learning to categorize and recognize animals. So when we used to learn a baby that this is an lion, this tiger, he, he or she must get some features that yeah, here is the cloth, that this is the color of the tiger, this is the color of elephant. Here he's getting some features that how I can understand what is there. So same thing the machine if can do, then it is said that he or she has learning and adaptation feature. So at that point our video is going to end. Thank you.
Thank you guys for watching this complete video. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel so that you can get the notification for my new videos, and we will prepare the next part for you.